Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect PS3 controller to PC. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you will need an app called DSHID Mini. Simply, download it from GitHub and then extract the file. After you have this folder, go to x64, and in here, you need to install both of the information files. Simply, right-click on it and press Install. This will prompt you to install this device software. You just need to install it and then do the same thing for the other information file. Once done, reboot your computer. After rebooting your computer, enter the application and your PlayStation 3 controller will be successfully connected to your PC. Now in here, select the controller, and under the HID device mode, you need to set this to DS4 Windows. After choosing this mode, click on Apply Changes. Next, download the DS4 Windows software from the GitHub website and then access its folder. Now, open it up and this type of interface will be displayed. After that, you just need to access the Settings tab from the top and then click on this Controller/Driver Setup Embed. Now, install the first software and also the HID Hide software just in case you need it. Once done, click on the Finish button and connect your DualShock 3 controller. So that's basically how you can connect PS3 controller to PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.